What's up, YouTube? It's your girl Dior, and I'm back with more.
Your body let the tropics, girl, you are the hot topic. No lie, no lie. Your body let the tropics, girl, you are the hot topic. No lie, no.
I just want to say first and foremost, if you're a returning subscriber, welcome back. And if you're new, hey, what's up? My name is Danny. I like to eat, do my hair, and keeps going nowhere. Period, poo. You just literally had on a curly wig, and I did. But y'all know I gotta switch it up, you know, expect the unexpected when it comes to me, because I'm gonna start stepping for real with these hairstyles. But this hair is from HairSpells company. This them. And basically the hair, I'm gonna just keep it 100 with y'all, not because it's a sponsorship, but the hair is A1. Like, I was not expecting this, because y'all, usually when you have processed hair, it usually feels processed, like it's more dry, more brittle, but this didn't give me no problems. This is the Brazilian straight 20-inch in the color number 4, and y'all see how it came when you get it on the mannequin, and I freaked it like always. The only downside I would say with this hair is that the longer it is, like when you get to the ends, it gets thinner. It still has body though. Like, it's more volume up here and more bulky, and then of course you get to the ends and it's just, you know, thins out. That's with any long bundles of hair that you get, it's always the same. So other than that, it was no shedding. I bleached the knots, as you can see, and there wasn't no hair falling out, and I left it on for longer than I should have, but there was no like problems with it. And these instructions on how to maintain and take care of the hair, just in case you don't know how. Hair clip, it says love, and some bond glue, I think you call it. Lace wig bond, and this is actually water resistant, so for whatever reason you decide to shower, get your hair wet, wash your face, your wig is not going to come off. If you feel like going to a pool or whatever to be cute and you end up getting water on your hair, the wig isn't going to come off. It is, yeah, it's on there, so don't think that this is just some scam of a glue. It's not. It's really good. We'll rate this hair definitely like a 9 out of 10. Like I said, the only thing is just, you know, the thinness at the bottom, but that's cool. I can deal with that because this is really silky. Like, I can run my hands freely through it. And like I said, it already came colored, so all I had to do was bleach the knots, and you don't even have to bleach the knots too, because the wig, it just didn't match my skin color. But you know, if you fine with it looking how it's looking, then that's okay, cool. Also, the wig came pre-plucked, so I didn't have to do too much, but I still did it anyways. So let me go ahead and show you how I installed it. Guys, I just used, you know, regular old bleaching powder, and then I took the 30 volume developer. So I'm leaving it on here for about 10 to 15 minutes, more closer to 15, because I notice whenever I don't put like any foil on it, it takes longer for it to lighten, and I didn't want to put foil on it this time, because whenever I do that, for some reason, like, it starts getting blotchy on the actual hair. So I just take some like plastic for either a shower cap or something, and I lay it on there and I let it sit for 15 minutes, so it's not as harsh as using foil. Finished bleaching and plucking the wig. I didn't really pluck it too much because this wig actually came pre-plucked, but I decided to do a side part. So here's my part right here. Period. Giving the girls very much scalp. And I didn't take down my braids. What I did was the front 3, so the wig can like kind of play, even though it still looks like crap. But yeah, let's get install this wig. So this part is pretty self-explanatory. I'm just taking my freeze spray and putting it on my hairline. It wasn't working at first, but basically I'm just putting it around my hairline and then letting it dry before I cut and, you know, do the ball method.
Choose your fighter.
After my first coat of glue, I just go ahead and dry it for a little bit. You want to make sure that you dry it until the glue turns clear, because if it's white, it will show up under your lace. So make sure that it's completely dry before you put on another coat or put on the wig.
You win.
Choose your fighter.
Lightning inspired. Fight.
Telling y'all, bro, stop playing with me in this hair. And I probably think I had this color already, and I did, but this one was crunchy. This one is not crunchy. Like, please stop fucking playing with me.